welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video, I will do unboxing to the secret box or blind box that my husband bought me in Mega Plaza. So guys, on my previous video, we went to the Mega Plaza. So Mega Plaza is the biggest toy mall in Bangkok, Thailand, and it is located to the border of Chinatown and Phahurat. So the Mega Plaza is the 6th floors building. So you can see a lot of different kinds of toy. So also the adult toy collector go there to buy some stuff, and so my husband decided to buy me for different kinds of secret box or blind box. So that's why guys, I am very excited today because I will open the secret box or blind box. But guys, I will show you first my Labubu. So here is my Labubu. I got blue. This one is the salty coconut monster. So this one guys, I've got this one as a gift. My student gave this to me last June, and this one is also secret box. So I opened, and then I told to my student that I want blue, and then I was shocked that it's color blue. So the casing, the protection from dust, I bought it in Mega Plaza. So it costs 120 baht, and the balls is only 10 baht. This one. So let's go guys. I will show you the 4 different secret box or blind box that my husband bought me. So I've chose this one because he wanted to buy me a 1 box, but I told him that I want different kinds of secret box. So the first one is Dao Bao. So we will open each box guys, don't worry. And then the next box is Loveliness Never Ends. So the third blind box is Migo. This one is Animal Party. And the last box guys is Baby 3. This one is version 3. So Baby 3. Alright, so alright guys, so I will open first the smallest, the Dao Bao. It has 1, 2, 3, 8 characters. So 8. So I don't understand because it's written in Chinese. So 8, and then it has secret character. So I want to choose the pink one. I hope I will get pink one. This one guys, it's cute. Alright, so let's go. I am very excited and I feel nervous. So I will open. I think I didn't get the pink one. So it's too hard to open guys. Maybe I will get scissors. Oh, I opened the plastic of Migo. Oh, now I open. Oh, I've got yellow. So cute. This one is bag pendant. So cute, guys. So this one is Dao Bao. So I got the first character, the yellow one. So I will show you the picture. Here I've got this one. It's cute. Oh, upside down. I love it. Alright, so let's go to the next box. So that is Dao Bao. Oh, so guys, I think this cost is 300 baht. I forgot. So 300 baht. Because next one, guys, is Migo Animal Party. This cost is 350 baht. And how many characters? It has 8 characters, 1 secret, and 1 surprise. So guys, the white one is the little lamp. Next is the purple one is little rabbit. The brown is little tiger. The yellow is greedy chicken. Then the brown or I don't know, circus deer. The pink is artist pig. The black is troublesome cat. The brown is with polka dots. And party hat is party mouse. And there is a secret and there is a surprise. I hope I will get a secret or a surprise. But if no, it's okay. If you will ask me what will I choose here, I want the naughty little rabbit. The purple one. Because the white one is clever little lamb. I want the naughty little rabbit. So let's open now. Okay. Oh, yeah. I'm excited. My husband is not here. And he told me to open now. I said I don't want because I want to do unboxing video. Oh. Okay. What is this? So this is the plastic. It says Migo. Animal Party. So let's open. Wow! I've got the pink. Okay, guys. So this one is pendant bag with zipper. A purse. So I've got artist pig. The pink one. Okay, so let's go to the third box, which is the Loveliness Never Ends. Alright guys, so this is the third blind box or secret box that my husband bought for me. So Loveliness Never Ends. So this one is, let me check. The brand is High Toy. So Nomi Loveliness Never Ends. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters and 1 secret. So the purple is Tutu, the blue one is Bin Bin, the pink is Juju, Chichi, the purple, the white is Nene, and the black is Mimi. I hope I will get the black one, Mimi. I want Mimi. If I will not get the secret, but I hope I will get the secret, but I want Mimi, the black one. Okay, let's open. Oh guys, this cost is 520 baht. I don't know in peso or I don't know in dollars, but it costs 520 baht. So let me open. Oh, I've got the blue one. So I've got Bin Bin, guys. Here. So cute. So cute. My favorite color is blue, but because I already got blue Labubu, I want to get different color, but it's fine. So cute. I will put it inside our car. So cute. All right, so let's go to the last secret box that my husband bought for me. So let's go. All right, guys. So this is the last box that my husband bought for me. So this one is Baby 3 version 3. So it has, let me check. Oh, here. 8 characters. So this, and 1 secret and 1 surprise, I think. So no name. I don't understand in Chinese, but if you ask me what I want to get, maybe I want the teal one. This one, cute. The color teal. So cute. Oh my god, I want to go there again. So let's open. This one, guys, is 500 baht. It costs 500 baht. All right, so let's go. Let's open. It says Baby 3 Lily Rabbit Town plush blind box. So all right, let's go. I will open. I hope I will get the teal, color teal. Oy. So here, so let's open. Oh, I've got the gray. I've got the gray rabbit. So cute. And it can move. And also the eyes, I think. It can move the eyes. Yeah, it can move the eyes, guys. So cute. So I've got this one, color gray. I don't know the name because it's written in Alright, Chinese. Guys, let's check the picture inside. This one, purple. And guys, I translated the name of the baby tree. It says Lily Daisy. So the name of my baby tree rabbit is Daisy. Alright. So I will show you again what I've got. So this one is Baby 3 version 3. Lily Daisy. So cute. The next one is Daubao. I've got Cello. The next is Migo. Pink one. And the last is Loveliness Never Ends. Blue one. At least I've got different kinds, different colors. So good. I love it. So this one, guys, is I think a plush toy display. You can't hang to your bag. It's quite big, but it's cute. So thank you to my husband. Wifey is happy. Alright guys, so here is the last snap of my plush toy from Blind Bags that my husband bought me from Mega Plaza. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you like this video. Again, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. So see you on my next video, guys. Bye!